In this video, we're going to walk through how to set up your organization info in the Monolith settings. In the left-hand menu here, we're going to go down to the Settings tab and click into here. And next, we're going to click on Organization Info. And here you can see we can update our own logo as well as add our organization's information. And it's really important to set this up inside of your Monolith because this is where Monolith is going to pull this information when you're generating things like case reports or chain of custody reports. So you want to make sure that it's pulling in your agency's or organization's information into those reports instead of the default Monolith stuff. So we're just going to take a minute or two and update this information. So I'm going to start and update our logo. So I'm going to add my agency's logo here. Next, we'll put our organization details. We can call this Metro Police. We can enter in our phone number, an email address, a website. We can enter in a street address, a city, a state, and a postal code. And next we'll click Save Changes. All right, so you can see down here, Monolith is showing us a green check mark that the info has been updated. And to verify that it's been updated, we're going to refresh this page. And you can see now our logo has been updated here in the menu bar, so that's a good sign. And so just for some context of where it's going to pull in this information now that it's set up, if we go to a case really quick, and we'll just generate a really quick test report here. Let's create a report, All right, let me open up this report and then we'll take a look at it. So here's the report that Monolith generated. And you can see it's now showing our organization's info that we set up. It's pulling in our logo. And if we scroll down a little bit here, if you had the footer enabled, you'll see it's also putting the organization name, phone number, and the email address as well. So again, the main reason we recommend you set this up early in your Monolith process is because when you go to generate reports like this, it'll ensure that it's pulling in your info when you generate that information. So everything is kind of branded to your organization. And that's how to set up your organization info inside of Monolith. Thanks for watching.